Thought I'd give you a little idea of the flooding here at our house. Not at the house, but down the driveway. Across the drive. And out into the yard. But nothing up around the house. A little concerned about the washout here at the drive. Washing gravel down into the yard. But yeah, like I say, I think the house is okay, but this is pretty typical. This is about as bad as it ever gets here. I'm in Broughtontown, Kentucky, but this is our experience with the current rain. We had real strong 60, 70 mile an hour winds last night and heavy rain, but this has really all come this morning. Most of it, I mean, it was there, but it wasn't crossing the driveway till this morning. Yeah, that's us.